Thanks for joining us and welcome to the Brisbane, Kawasaki and KSPEED YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep making more content. Let's discuss racing sponsons and what they do. Afterwards, I'll run you through the installation process. The Kawasaki Ultra jet ski has stabilizers on the side of the hull. When cornering, these make contact with the water and assist with grip at speed in the corners. However, at a certain point, they let go and allow the back of the ski to break traction. This can be lots of fun, but washes off speed. So you need to slow down to make the stock stabilizers work and ride within the limits of the ski. What the KSPEED sponsons do is allow the rider to customize how the ski handles. If you want to ride at full speed through corners, you drop them down and move them forward. If you want just better grip than factory, make them level at the top of the backing plate and use the first through to the third hole. If you want less grip, raise them up. There's 48 positions you can choose from. In this video, we are going to remove the factory stabilizers and install the KSPEED sponsons. These fit all Kawasaki Ultra jet skis from 2007 to 2023 and beyond, both supercharged and non-supercharged. They cannot fit the STX platform, but we do have ones that do on the website. We will start with removing the four 12mm bolts on the factory sponsons. For each side on the backing plate, you will have four 45mm bolts and four washers. Whilst you don't need thread locker. If you choose to use some, just use a very small dab. Don't use thread locker on the 6-blade bolts as they won't come off to adjust if you do. Place the bolt with washer on it into bolt hole and then line it up with the fitting on the ski. Try and get 1 to 2 turns on the bolt to hold the sponsons on the ski while you grab the next bolt. Now all the bolts have been started, it is crucial that you walk the backing plate in evenly. We will speed up the video again here, a few turns on each bolt, then move to the next one. We are trying to make sure the plate goes on evenly. Now let's make them tight. Time for the blade. You will have 3 bolts and 3 retainer washers. Here you can see the multiple holes that allow complete customization of the ski to adjust to your riding style. Up, down, forward, back. These are the holes I will use to put them into the most commonly used setting. Tighten just enough so the bolt doesn't move anymore. Too much tension will strip the bolt head. Now do the other side, and it's very important that both sides are set in the same setting or the ski won't turn evenly. We suggest you exercise caution the first time you ride the ski after installation, as the ski will turn very differently. Take your time and get used to the new handling characteristics. Thanks for watching.